Welcome to a place where nature meets flavor. In the heart of Pampanga's hidden gem, the Sasmuan Pampanga coastal wetlands, food is as rich as the culture. Here, you don't just taste the food. You taste the story. Join us as we explore mouth-watering dishes, and the best of Sasmuan's coastal cuisine. It's more than just a meal. It's an experience you can't miss. This is where the land, sea, and flavors come together for the ultimate food adventure. Tune in and get ready to taste what Sasmuan's wetlands have to offer.